guys, welcome back to my channel. Shari Sweet here with another video. Today's another haul. I decided to order quite a few things from Nordstrom's anniversary sale. So I will show you the items and we're going to jump right into it because I have a lot to show you. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you really like me, go ahead and subscribe down below for more content. Alright, so let's get into the video. Alright, let me show you the amount of things I got because it's a lot. So I have this package here. And these boxes, so many boxes. Whew. Okay, so let me open all these items and then we're gonna go through them one by one. Let me know your thoughts. So first we'll start with some accessory items and some beauty buys that I bought. Here are the beauty buys. All right, so the first one is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base Duo, which I have known about for years. I know it's a good primer that a lot of people like to use under their makeup, but one is usually $60, and this buy, you got two for $60, so two for the price of one. So like, I couldn't pass it up, you know. I've never used it before, so I'll let you guys know how I like it, but here's the item. Close it. Next is something that, a part of it, what I use often. It's the Bae-sics Brow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This comes with the eyebrow gel and the eyebrow pencil. The eyebrow pencil I got in the shade Soft Brown. I actually have an Anastasia pencil, but I have a stash of eyebrow pencils. I just haven't gotten to use it yet. So I've never used the eyebrow pencil from Anastasia. However, I use the gel all the time to keep my eyebrow hairs in place all day. And it works very well. Not flaky, no residue. So I love it. So this was a good buy, and this was $27 during the anniversary sale. Next is Kiehl's Day to Night Hydration Duo, and it comes with the Midnight Recovery Concentrate and the Ultra Face Cream. I have tried a sample of the Ultra Face Cream, but I've never purchased it before. So I wanted to try this because I love serums. I've been using different serums from different brands for a while, so I love those, and I love thick face creams because sometimes my face is oily, sometimes it's extra dry. So if this is a bit too heavy for me, I can always save it for when it gets a little colder. I like how all the products have a little exclusive bow on it for the sale. Next, I picked up Paula's Choice Skincare. This is the Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant in the jumbo size for $39. Normally retails for $59. I like exfoliants. I like using acids on my skin, although my skin has been acting up lately. I'm going to take a break from it for a while, but when I'm back to using it again, I figured I'd try this one. And I have a coworker who told me she heard great things about it, so I'll try it out. Next is MAC's Finishing Touches Kit. It comes with two full-size Fix Plus sprays. One is in Fix Plus Watermelon and one is your regular Fix Plus, and then it has a mini Fix Plus. So I like using Fix Plus, although, like, you know, they say it's not a setting spray, but I've been using it for years. It was one of the first ones I like. Just in between makeup sets to spray down the layers just to make it all one even layer as opposed to looking too powdery. So I wanted to get this kit. I'll definitely be using it. And this is what comes inside. Next item are these Ray-Ban sunglasses. They have like a retro vibe. I love them. Oh, none of my Ray-Bans came in this color case before. They're usually black. So I like this. Meshed my skin. Alright, let's open it. Let's see how they look. Oh, these are cute. These are cute. So these are the glasses. Let me step to the side so you can see it a little better. So they have a blue hue gradient from darker to lighter. They come in this square shape. And let's try them on. What do you think? What do you think? I love the shape. I don't have any glasses shaped like this. Oh yeah, I like these. I thought they'd be a little bit lighter blue, but I like that it's darker. And you know, Ray-Ban quality. I appreciate it. I'm here for this. Okay, so a few of these items, I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the beginning, but I did buy some with the intent of returning because I bought like similar styled items. I wasn't sure which color I'd like. So next two items are sweater coats, as they call them. I got one in brown and one in black. So I'm going to try them on and you guys let me know which one I should keep. These are sweater coats by the brand Bernardo. I got them in a size small, which I also wasn't sure about because I typically order my things like outerwear a little bit bigger, but sometimes it's too frumpy on me. So hopefully this fits okay. But this is the first style in the black. It's a heather black. As you can see, not like a solid black. It comes up more gray on camera. It has 3 large buttons here and then hidden pockets. here for it. It is like a sweater material, but it is weighted, so this will definitely keep me warm on the cooler evenings. In fall time, definitely. This is sleek. So it comes down about mid-shin, mid-calf level. And this is the perfect fit. I do have space. And these are the pockets. So this is the color in black. I do like this. It's like simple, nice, sleek, easy. Just looks clean. And like I said, it'll definitely keep me warm because I get hot easily. But this is the item. As I mentioned, this is the same jacket, but this is brown. So you see a darker brown lapel, like a camel color, and then a lighter tan color on the outside. This also has some texture to it. As you can see, it's not a solid color. Bernardo. Same thing, 3 buttons. Let me try this on. This was the color I initially wanted to get, but I don't really have any black jackets, so that's why I decided to get the other one. And I love it. I love the color contrast. And this is nice. Oh my goodness, I need help. Let me know. Should I keep them both? Because I will. But yeah, I love this color. And this will go nice with a pair of boots that I got as well. Hope this isn't throwing you guys off. So this is the brown color. Let me know what you guys think. Which one should I keep? Which one should I return? Should I keep them both? Because I'm okay with keeping them both. I just might, regardless of what y'all say. Okay, so last few items are shoes. I have 3 booty style shoes. You'll see different styles. 2 of them I bought with the intent of only keeping one, and I mean it this time, because they're both like the same style boot, but I saw one and I wanted it, and then I was like, should I get the other? So I'll show you that one. But let me first show you these boots. These are from, okay, that doesn't help me. These boots are by the brand Caslon. These are water resistant boots that I liked. I have similar style boots that are kind of like this, but a little bit dressier. Like they have a little click click at the bottom when you walk. But these are water resistant boots. These will be great to grip onto the floor because of the bottom texture. I got these in, like, I believe they were an ivory color, lace up booties with the zip up on the inside. So I have these boots. We'll see how they fit, and I got these in a size 8.5, which is my typical size. These are the Caslon boots. They are comfortable. They fit just right. I probably would have been okay if I went up a little bit to a size 9 instead of my normal 8.5, but they definitely fit comfortably. I could wear these for long periods. They feel very sturdy. And again, I love the fact that they are water resistant. These are the boots. The next 2 items are the boots that I didn't have any intent of keeping both. These were the first ones I saw, which I liked more because of the bottom especially, and I think these will go great with that brown jacket I just showed you guys. And these, I was like, oh, the all white, you know, with the white heel and everything, those are cute too, and they have a little bit of like a croc texture detail. But taking them out of the box just now, these have defects on them, as you can see, or as I'll show you. So when I took them out of the box just now, I don't know if you can see that stain there. You gotta see it. And it's also on the side here. So no thank you. So we'll just start with these. These are the croc detail boots I was telling you about by Steve Madden. Some of the reviews did say that these ran a bit small or tight. So my normal size 8.5, I was a little worried about it, so I got these in a size 9. And these have the chunky heel with the zipper on the inside as well. These are the Steve Madden boots. They are super cute. This was perfect to go up half a size as recommended from my normal 8.5. These are a size 9. And Again, these have defects, so I'm not keeping them. But they are, I think they're cute. I like them. But at least it has a defect that makes my decision easier. Haha. But I think I would have went with the other ones anyway. These boots are by Marc Fisher. I love the contrast of bottoms with the heels and the fact that these are ivory. These, I believe I also got in a size 9. Yes, I got these in a size 9 because the reviews too. Some said they were fine and some said they were a little small. So I figured, let me try the larger size. If anything, I can wear thicker socks if it's slightly big. And these are the Marc Fisher boots. These are slip-on. They don't have the zippers like the last two I showed you. These are comfy as is. They're slightly tight right over here. But this is leather, so it will give me a little bit of stretch over time. But I like these. How do they look though? Can you tell? Let me know, let me know. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts on the items I bought. Did you like them? Did you not? Leave a comment down below and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.